What color is that?
Blue.
Blue.
Let me see.
That's pretty.
Wow, that's a nice color.
Alright, so that one's done. So we'll set that over here. Alright, now pick the next one. Which do you want to put that one in?
That one.
Alright, go for it.
Green.
Green. That's right. That's pretty too.
Beautiful.
Okay, well let that
A
sit out.
beautiful gift.
Alright, pick one.
I'll this one.
Okay.
No.
Yellow. It's pretty.
That is pretty. That's like sunshine.
Alright, here we go. Pick one.
This one. Pink. Red.
It's red.
Ooh, that's one of your favorite colors, isn't it? Yeah, that's
Alright,
one.
here we go. We got two more.
Red like a fire engine? Blue again.
Blue again. Yeah, it's kind of like a turquoise. That's kind of a hard color, but it's pretty.
Orange.
Orange.
Cool, huh?
Look, they're all fizzling. Look at that. Don't touch them though, but look, they're fizzling.
The hot?
No, they're not hot. It's called dissolving.